The fastest way to add a drop to your DanAm Air system is with our quick assembly brackets. Utilizing the lay line for reference, mark where you'd like your drop. Use the jig that we provide you in the installation toolkit. Drill the hole. Remove the jig. There's a deburring tool in your cutter that's also provided. Just make sure there's no sharp edges on that hole. Wrap around your quick assembly bracket, centering it in the hole, and tighten it down with an Allen wrench. Once you have that completed, you can cut your drop to length and insert it. Add your drop at the bottom, and you're done. For more information, you can visit our website at danamair.com or call us at 1-800-533-8016.